solve e to the x squared equals e to the 7x minus 12? Well, we have exponential functions here that are equated and they have the same base. One thing we know about functions like e to the x, or really in general a to the x power for any base a for which it's defined, is that if a to the x equals a to the y, regardless of what x and y are, then x must equal y. That's because exponential functions of this sort are one-to-one functions. And by analogy here, by substituting this exponent for the x and this other exponent for the y here, we see that this equation implies that x squared must equal 7x minus 12. That is, if we have the same base and the powers are equal to one another, then the exponents must be equal. So we need to solve the equation x squared equals 7x minus 12. Subtracting the 7x and adding the 12 to both sides gives me a quadratic that's equal to 0. And think for a moment, I think we can factor the left-hand side. We need factors of 12 that add to negative 7. Those factors are negative 4 and negative 3. And then setting each factor equal to 0 in turn gives us two solutions, either x equals 4 or x equals 3. Both of these values of x solve the original equation. We would have e to the 9th equals e to the, plugging in a 3 here, e to the 3 squared is e to the 9th, and this is e to the 21 minus 12 is also e to the 9th, and that verifies that 3 is a solution. Likewise, x equals 4 will give e to the 16th on both sides of the equation.